Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delightful and guilt-free dessert, crunchy Keto Berry Mousse. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 3 Oz, fresh raspberries, fresh strawberries, or fresh blueberries, 2 Oz, chopped walnuts, and half lemon the zest, an F4CSP vanilla extract. Wait, before starting the keto cleanse video, I introduce you with Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below.
Start off by pouring the heavy whipping cream into the bowl. Use a hand mixer until you have soft peaks. After about 3 minutes, we have nice peaks. We're going to add the lemon and vanilla. Now we're going to mix in our strawberries and walnuts. Use your favorite nuts or berries to make it your own. Now comes the hard part. We need to cover it with plastic and put it in the fridge for 3 hours. It's been 3 hours, so let's taste this.
Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Icaria Lean Belly Juice. Smoothies, click the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,